Hello people, welcome to the channel, welcome back, welcome if you're just new. Yeah, just this part, going to be part one because there'll be lots of parts of this on the race build for the Arrma Typhon. Going to do TLR, got some TLR stuff I'm going to put on it. This is the start of what I'm going to do, so I've already put the metal diff carrier in there, plastic ones I don't like. You know, anyway, I have the metal Arrma diff kit, the metal one, for that. Got that in the infraction. I've got the EXP metal servo holder to put in there, which I'm going to do in a minute. I've got all the front end TLR coming. On the Python, never that's happened before, but the dog bone, the tire shaft at the back, as you can see, that happened. Happened the first time, and I put it back in, didn't think nothing of it. Happened on the second one, took half the bottom of the shock tower out, which now I've had to get a new shock tower, so I'm going to upgrade with these parts, 7075 tuning Team Karate performance parts. I've got the rear shock tower and the braces for that there. It's the only reason I'm upgrading that, because of that reason. So yeah, that's over there in bits as well. So about shaky camera. Yeah, so I'm going to put 300k in the centre of this. I put 100k in the back. I'm going to put 100k in the front, 300 in the centre. Get all four wheels planted. See what it's like. Just experiment really. I mean, track, it will need lighter fluids, I would have thought. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to get on with that first part. Anyway, okay, cheers. Catch you soon. So there's all me stuff laid out on the diff. Obviously I took it all apart and brake cleaned it all, because I'm changing fluid and changing diffs. It's all come apart. It's all neatly lined up there. 300's going in. Yeah. What else was I going to say? Yeah, I keep the old diffs. There it is, the old and the cake, whatever's left, because you never know, you get a spare diff. You do not use these in it. I'll leave a picture here actually of how it goes together. This diff. Yeah, you don't use these, and some shims. It gives you shims as well. Is it right? One thing I want to say, is it just me, or does anyone else do this? On the screws, when you Loctite them, where they're brand new, I always get a piece of this, which is like cloth you rub down cars with, you know, paintwork, and I rub the screws, the threads, to get any residue and paint off, so the Loctite does its job. And I also screws in here, just to make sure. Don't know if anyone else does that, or it's just me. But yeah, that's ready to put back together. I'm going to let that sit while I do the steering, the servo EXP upgrade. So I'll catch you soon. Cheers. Can anyone see on this bench the most important thing? Let me know in the comments if people don't comment, but let me know in the comments if you think you know out of everything on here. Lamp, obviously. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think was the most important thing on the table. So yeah, that's all done, went in. We're at 300k fluid in the centre. It's nice and stiff now. It's not finished because I've got to put the drive shafts in and put the top on. Got some bits to do for the fronts. I'm waiting. There's the EXP metal servo holder and stage pins, whatever they're called, go down there. Looks nice. Got a load of stuff coming from the front, like I say. Diff's better, very nice, and that's, it keeps it sturdy, isn't it? So yeah, it's looking alright. So yeah, it's coming on. So I'll catch up with you soon in the next one. Hello again, people. Update from the last one. This is probably going to be the last video. The Typhon's done. I'll show you in a minute. This is why I had to replace the shock tower on the Typhon. That's what's left of the bottom of it. The dog bone drive shaft took half of it out, look, as you can see. So I was quite lucky not to get away with just that, really. Bearings are alright inside here. Everything else is okay, so that's why I decided to replace that with the 7075 one. Otherwise I wouldn't have replaced it. So yeah, when it's all done, I'll show you them all done, and then we'll wrap it up. Alright, cheers guys. Right, so yeah, I'm finally done what I wanted to get done on the Typhon. And the Typhon. So we've got the EXP tuning 7075 rear shock tower on the rear of the Typhon, because as I showed you earlier on, the dog bone took half of the bottom out. I've got the plates at the back and front as well. That's it for the Typhon for now. I've got to clean out. Not going anywhere near water again. Nowhere near a puddle. The Typhon, that's got its EXP metal servo mount on there, the metal centre diff, which I always do, and the metal carrier. I've got some TLR upgrades coming for all of the front of this, so that'll be the next video of the weekend. Well, the next video I'm going to run this because I've got 300k fluid in the centre and 10k in the front and rear, so I'm going to try them, see what that's like. They're box standard. I think I put 100k in the centre of that. Yeah, that's got 100k in the centre of that, and standard at the front and rear. So yeah, thanks for joining me. The video will be in bits because I've been wrenching in bits, so I'll just cut it and see how it turns out. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video, which will be the running of the Typhon. Nowhere near water. So thanks for joining me. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you want to, bing 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 notification, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.